I'm Duke Millington and we're at the top of the Kosciuszko Express chair, ready to drop into what will be the Oakley Australian downhill course for the upcoming Cannonball Festival presented by Boost Mobile. Let's get into it. We're ready to drop in. They'll be starting the start gate on the cobblestones as usual, straight into the fire road. So coming up, there's been a couple of the young fellas that are getting excited and doing this water bar gap. It'll be interesting to see if they do it in their race runs. Tight ride off camber corner that you're going to have to negotiate in your race run. That could make or break your run. Bomb down the fire road and jump straight into the single trail. Nice little double to kick things off. Straight into some tech rock and into the Gorilla Hut gap. And into snakes and ladders. Coming up, there's a triple that some of the fast boys will be doing. Taking off here, landing down the backside here. Pretty impressive. Cannonball downhill, they'll be running the old grass chute. So it's pretty overgrown at the moment, and we'll be dropping in down there and then entering at the bottom of True Blue again. So that'll be some good fun. And back into the track. Our crew getting out and doing a bit of maintenance with some new jumps in the course. Under the chairlift, put on the show. And a nice big double into the corner. We'll just tiptoe through, check out what the boys have done. Giving the war ride a nice spruce up. Looks like they've hand packed it all in. Couple nice new features coming out of it, add a bit of flow to the trail, and back into the woods again for the final finish area. This is when you know you're home. Come out of the trees and have the crowds of Cannonball Festival all cheering you on coming into the finish area. So we've got, the boys have been working on two jumps. We've got the special whip-off jump, and then there's the race lines as well. So that's the course preview for Cannonball Festival 2022, brought to you by Boost Mobile.